If we've got the design right, it will make you feel special. The design starts with the brief. Where the brief is innovative, you're going to get an innovative scheme at the end of it.
Audi are very clear in their perception of their brand and how they wanted to be perceived, and that came across very clearly in the briefing document. Luckily, to date, they've been very, very receptive to the scheme that we've put together. We've taken cars, automotive, movement, and we've instilled that in the design that we've got.
The sleekness of the design was very important. We wanted to create a structure that looks almost impossible.
So using these pods, they can sit as an individual on their own with just one car in them, or in fact they can be interconnected so that they form curves and circles. That modular element was a very key part of the design.
The conversation between your hand, the paper, pen and your brain is very important.
It's far more intuitive with a pen in your hand, to my mind, than to be trying to manipulate a software to develop a design. When we've fixed on the idea and where we're going, then it's moved over to CAD, and that's where the accuracy starts being developed into it.
We can't afford to have things changed on site. We just haven't got the time.
So the precision in the cutting, welding, manufacture and base plate design is essential.
We're making the steelwork for the Audi project down at Festival of Speed. We're making 7 pods, 4 which are standalone pods and 3 which make the grandstand which overhang so you can view the track. The cantilevers, everything took a bit of working out between us and the engineer. He had his vision of how it would work, and then we had to basically just keep going at it till we made it work. Everything from design right through to just logistics is completely bespoke. We've never done it on that scale on any other job.
When we first went down to see the prototype that we built down at the steelworks and saw just how dramatic that overhang is, I was really excited. I think it's going to be fantastic when we have a number of those displayed around the pavilion with all of the cars sitting in the middle. It's going to be very good indeed.